Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add and manage multiple brands in BoldDesk. In addition to that, you will also learn the kind of permission required to manage brands as well as how to configure a customer portal for each brand. Finally, I'll show you how to filter tickets based on the brands. A multi-brand help desk enables you to provide an individual customer portal and mailbox to manage support for each of your brand or product from a single help desk portal. Some organizations have multiple products or services they offer to the customers. In this scenario, each product or service can be added as a brand. Brands allow you to have separate customer portals for your products. When customers visit a customer brand portal, they can only see tickets related to that brand. But the agent portals are common for all brands and can be accessed by adding /agent at the end of any customer support portal URL. So, agents can view all brand tickets and work on multiple brands using a single unified agent portal. By default, support agents do not have permission to manage brands. Therefore, to manage them, agents must be assigned a role with permission to manage brands. First, let me show you how to enable the permissions required for an agent to manage brands. Log in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the admin module and click Roles and Permissions, which will open default roles and permissions listing page. Here, click the Create Role option. The new role and permission configuration page will open. Under the admin module permission configuration, enable the permission to manage brands. Then, click Create to create a role. To know more about how to manage roles and permissions in BoldDesk, follow the documentation link provided in this video's description. Next, to add a brand in BoldDesk, navigate to the admin module and click Brands under the General section. This will open the Brands listing page with details. Click Add Brand and a new brand page will open. Enter the brand name and the subdomain name. When a new brand is created, a new customer portal will be created for the brand, which can be white-labeled to adapt to your product branding. Click Add option to add the brand. After the brand is added, it will be listed in the brand's listing page, and you will be directed to the customer portal settings page where it can be configured based on the need. If you would like to watch a detailed video on BoldDesk customer portal configuration, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. And, to know how to set up a knowledge base in the customer portal, refer to the link provided in the card above and in the description below. A custom domain can also be mapped to the customer portal. To watch a video on setting up custom domain for your support portal, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. In the same way, you can create multiple brands. Next, let's see how to manage brands in BoldDesk. On the Brands listing page, click More Options next to the brand. A list of options will be displayed to configure a brand, edit the brand name, set the brand as default, deactivate the brand, deactivate the customer portal, and delete a brand. You can also activate a brand and/or activate the customer portal. Finally, I'll show you how to search for a ticket using brands with filters in the Tickets module. On the ticket listing page, you can filter tickets based on the brand. Also, brands added to the BoldDesk can be used when creating automation rules as well as SLAs. To list the required brand's ticket by default on the Agent Portal Tickets listing page, an agent can set preferred brands on the Personal Settings page. Select the brands here to be set as default. Then, click Update to save and reflect the changes on the ticket listing page. Let me summarize. In this video, I explained how the permission to manage brands can be controlled in BoldDesk. I also explained how to add and manage brands and how to filter tickets based on brands. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.